Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a smartphone. Let's start. First, draw a straight line. Then draw a curve like this. And a straight line on the other side. And then from this line, draw a line like this. Now from here, draw a curve and another curve like this. Now connect these two. Now a line like this. And up here, another line. Well, a smartphone is actually the phone my mom uses. And a dark circle like this. And then a line and up, and then another one, and then connect, like that. And now here, draw something like that. And in the middle, draw a circle. And here, draw 3 lines. We're done. So let me tell you what these are. These are the buttons you need to press. This is to exit. This is to go back. This is to swipe your apps. This is the camera. This is the speaker. But if you like, you can draw the phone on or off. I want to draw it on, so I'll do this. My dad plays games on his phone. He's drawing some game apps. I'm drawing some typing. Alright, now I'll just draw teeny squares like this one. I mean, like it's the person is filling out forms. Let me tell you what they say. Blah, 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 blah. There. Okay. Let's color. Yeah. You can color it any color you like, but if you don't figure out a color, you can look at your parents' phone and do it. This is my mom's phone. So how to exit this app is you press this button. And how to go back is this button, and how to swipe your apps is this button. What we do on the phone actually is we make videos, we watch TV. Well, my dad plays games. Alright, I need to color in the speaker and then I'll be all done. My dad is drawing the app's names. I'll color that. What color do I have? I'll just color it red. Alright, I'm done coloring, so I'll record my video again and I'll play games on it. Bye!